everyone, so I hope you're okay. Welcome back and welcome to a vlog, and this vlog is going to be such a special vlog because I'm moving. Yay! Sorry for how like rubbishy I look today. I've literally been up since 7 o'clock, so hence the sort of lack of makeup, and I've also broke out in dermatitis, which I don't know if you can see. You probably will see in this vlog at some point, but yeah, I've literally been clear of it for, I don't know, a good year now, and I don't know if it's stress or just like eating crappy food over the holidays or whatever, but yeah, I broke out in dermatitis, which is just not a good look right now. But yeah, anyway, let's ignore that. I've just slapped a little bit of makeup on anyway, just so I look half presentable for you guys. But today it is moving day, which honestly I'm so excited about. I can't believe it, guys. Like, I feel like I've not even spoken to you about this properly yet. It's happened so fast. So today I'm going to give you the lowdown on everything. You're going to move with me, you're going to see my new place. I'm going to sort of give you like an empty house tour. It's not a house though. I'm moving into a barn conversion, not a house. But yeah, I'm going to give you an empty house tour. So we'll do that today. Obviously it's going to be a hectic day because I am moving things and everywhere's going to look a mess. And yeah, I didn't realise how hectic moving is because I've never really properly moved. I mean, I went to uni when I was like younger and I moved all my stuff to Northampton, but nothing like this where you're having to get like furniture, sofas, kettles, toasters, all that malarkey. Like, it is hectic. So yeah, currently it is 9:05. We're just at some industrial state because Aaron's helping me move today, and we've got a van. So yeah, I've got a bed being delivered to my old house today, well, my parents' house, because for some reason, like, I tried to put the delivery to like my new place, but it was taking an extra 3 weeks for some reason. So yeah, don't know what that was about. So I was like, right, let's get it delivered to my parents and then we can get a van and move it, because we're going to need a van anyway, because you guys know I own a lot of stuff. I've got a lot of clothes, so yeah, we needed a van. But yeah, I'm so excited, and like I said, I know this has just come out of like nowhere, but it's just time for me to move. I need to just get out and have my own space for work more than anything, because you guys know I do YouTube full time. So trying to do YouTube full time and working from home is just impossible when you don't have the space, you don't have the quiet atmosphere, you don't have like the chill vibes. Like, it's just, yeah, it's just time for me to go. So the big question, everyone's like, are you renting or are you buying? God, you lot are so nosy. No, not all of you are nosy. I know that people want to know these things, so obviously I'm very like open book with you guys. I'll always like be 100% honest with you. But I feel like a lot of times people ask these questions because if you go, oh yeah, I'm renting, people are like, ah, she's only renting, she can't afford it really. Like, do you know what I mean? I feel like sometimes people want to know that because they want to dampen your sparkle or something. But yeah, anyway, I am renting. I'm not obviously buying, and that's purely because I'm only a year into being self-employed, so I can't actually get a mortgage yet. If I could get a mortgage, I would have a mortgage on this place. Let me tell you, like, I've been saving for obviously like the past year and a half, 2 years now, so I do have enough for a deposit, luckily. So that's why renting for me isn't so bad either, because it's not like it's, well, yeah, I know it's always dead end money, but luckily, unfortunately for me, I do have a house deposit saved, so it's just a case of me being able to actually physically get a mortgage now. So that's what I'm sort of waiting for. So that's why I thought, well, there's no harm in moving out for a year, renting, and then obviously once I can get that mortgage, and then I can just get my mortgage. And it'll be an easy transition as well, because I'm buying everything now that I'd sort of buy for the house, so then I'm not going to have to go out and buy a sofa, all new furniture, kettle, toaster. Like, I can literally just smoothly like transition that into the house that I buy. So yeah, like, obviously, yeah, it's not ideal renting. I know it's dead end money, as everyone likes to call it, but look, not everybody is fortunate enough, and if people do rent, then that's not a bad thing. At least you're independent to have your own place and you do what you can afford. So yeah, it really annoys when people bash people that rent, because not everybody can afford to get a mortgage, and you have to remember that. But yeah, luckily for me, I'm very fortunate, and I just want to repeat that, like, I'm so thankful that I'm in this position where I can afford to rent, I can afford to save money, and I'm fortunate enough to have my house deposit saved. So yeah, like, it's an okay situation. You guys don't have to worry. Like, I'm not going to be making myself financially short, because I feel like as well, people are like, oh my god, it's such a bad decision, you're not going to be able to save for a house. And it's like, no one knows your finances, no one knows like what you earn, no one knows what you can afford and what you can't, and people are just so quick to like jump and be like, oh my god, that's it, like, you're never gonna get a house. Like, I'm like, you don't know, like, do you know what I mean? But anyway, enough of all that chat, that's all you need to know. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I'm just so excited to move out. Like, the reason that I've been pushed to do this as well is mainly because of my dad. Shout out to my dad. No, like, seriously. My dad is a lovely person. However, he moans, and anyone that knows my dad will just know he's an absolute nightmare to live with. Like, my dad is near enough impossible to live with. He's one of these that you come in and you put your coat down on like the banister or something, you'd be like, why is your coat there? Move your coat now, move your coat. You're like, oh my god, give me a break. And yeah, he's just a moaner. He's very like, things have to be in order, and if you don't move it in that second, then it's the end of the world. And it was just getting really unbearable to live with, and we was arguing a lot. Oh, 1 second. Hello?
Thank you. Yes. Yeah, are you ready, Laura?
Yeah, do you want me to drive now?
Yes, I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna drive out now. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bye.
All right. Thanks.
Well, sorry I've got to be cut short there. That's Aaron. He's in the van now. So yeah, I'll continue this conversation on in a little while. Bye bye. Loaded the van up. So we're going to do the first drop to the place now. So I'm just at home. Yeah, loaded the van up with the main things like bed. Oh, my head's out. Yeah, so my bed arrived really early, which is good, because it said any time between like 9 and 9 at night. So yeah, it arrived I think only about 40 minutes ago. It's got home, the bed was outside, so that's good. So I got the bed and then just loaded the van up with clothes and just all that sort of crap. So yeah, we're gonna go there now, do the first drop. I feel like it's just gonna be ages until it's all nice though, isn't it? So yeah. Okay, so you're gonna have to excuse the absolute state I look, because I've just been lifting like 100 million boxes. But I'm here. I'm here. We've moved one load of stuff in, so we've just got like bed. I've not got my sofa yet, things like that, but I've just moved like clothes, all that sort of stuff in. So here's the front. I'm not going to show you like all of it because privacy. Okay, so as you come in, this is like the hallway. So like I said on Instagram, if you follow me on there, I've not chose an absolutely massive place to move into my first place because there's just no point, because there's only me, and also I need to get used to living on my own, so I just didn't want a massive place. So I'm just going to put all the lights on. I need to open them curtains as well. But yeah, so this is when you first come in. It's just one big open plan space and then 3 bedrooms. So yeah, this is the kitchen. This is literally what sold me this place. Like, as soon as I saw the kitchen, it had like a massive middle countertop. I was like, that is it. This is mine. And then yeah, you just got your beams, because obviously it's a barn conversion. Let me just undo these blinds here, because I feel like there's not much light in here at the moment. But yeah, this is just the main space really. So there's only like one real main room, but we've got lovely just like grey floor, light grey walls, a white kitchen. Oh, I just love the kitchen, guys. And then we've got that sort of like chandelier thing hanging down. Well, it's not a chandelier, but I don't know, what is it? This is going to be like the living dining area space, but I'm not too sure what I'm going to do for dining table and stuff yet, because I don't want to take too much room up. So I've got a corner sofa going there. I don't know if to get like one of them extendable dining tables, a little dining table. I don't really know. But yeah, this is the space. Obviously it's a little bit dark in here because the curtains are not moved back. But then we've got bifolding doors. Honestly, these open out and they just look so nice. Look at the decking area for the summer, and then the garden just goes all the way around the property, which I'll show you that shortly, but not now. There's loads of storage in here as well, which is really good. Obviously I need, oh god, just fell over something, guys. Loads of storage in this place, which is just perfect because you guys know I need storage, so I can put like PR packages and things in there until I put them away. Probably put like a nice little lamp up here. Again, got plenty of space down there. This is just like one of those like faux doors just to hide the electrical work, I think, at the bottom. But again, we've got a few shelves in there. So that's that. Then we come back to the hallway. I think I might put a nice flower vase thing here. And then we've got 3 bedrooms. So bedroom number 1, none of the rooms are absolutely massive, but this is like a double-sized room. There's a fitted wardrobe in here as well. Sorry, there's no lights on there. It's pretty dark. So yeah, this is 1 bedroom. It's like a double-sized bedroom though. You can fit a double bed and stuff in here. It's quite hard to see the size of the room when you're on like camera. Oh, is it focusing? Again, it's got really nice high ceilings. It is lovely. And then we've got the second bedroom. Well, this is like a study. They describe this as a study or like a box room. As you can see, this is a lot smaller. There's the view outside. Look how nice that view is. There's actually like sheep in that field over there, which is really nice. But yeah, this is the garden. There's a shed in there as well. But yeah, this is the smallest room. So I don't know if to do this as like a wardrobe room or what. We've just got the standard boiler cupboard, boring. Then we had the bathroom, which, oh my god, look how amazing this bathroom is. So this is the bathroom. Look at them high ceilings, just amazing, and really nice spotlights as well. Amazing bath. I need to give this all a clean because there's currently a little friend in there, and I also noticed we've got a friend up there too. Yeah, a really nice mirror as well. God, I look a mess. And it does this. It lights up, which my mum actually showed me last night because I didn't even realise it did that. So yeah, sink, toilet, little shelf there as well. So yeah, that's a really nice room. And then this is the main like master bedroom. Again, it's not a massive size, just a nice sized double room. Again, we've got the nice high ceilings, fitted wardrobe. Got one mirror there. I probably should put the lights on. The lights aren't the best in this room, so I may get like, I don't know, like a tall lamp or something. I just don't feel, because there's only like 2 lights on the walls here. Yeah, it's just not the best light. We've got 2 windows, which is good, but yeah, it's not the best light. And then we also have an ensuite to the master bedroom as well. Again, we've got a funky mirror. Why am I so obsessed with this mirror? Turn that off, Laura. Yeah, there's a shower in there. Little bathroom. And yeah, that's it. This is all the stuff just everywhere at the moment. This is the new bed that I've ordered. I'll obviously show it you once it's fitted. I love all the characteristics about this property though, like all the beams. Just so beautiful. It's got really nice white doors and stuff. So the reason why I mainly picked this place was because of the sort of decor. I think if you're renting, you don't want to move into somewhere that's like completely run down, because you've got to live there and you're not going to be wanting to do things like change carpet, paint the walls, you know, like put a new kitchen in. Like, you're not going to do that when you're renting in because it's not your place. So it was really important for me to find somewhere that it does sort of reflect like my decor, and then I can add furniture and it's all going to look lovely. Like, I don't want to be living in a dump. God, not the best site, sorry. But yeah, that's the little empty house tour. I'm not really going to be doing too much more vlogging today because it's literally just going to be like unpacking and doing boring things like that. So yeah, you just want to get on with it really, instead of like getting your camera out every 2 seconds. But obviously I am sort of like aware that you guys want to see as much as possible. Please ignore my hair because this is literally just after a wash. No straighten, no curling, nothing on it, just like literally damp dry, so it's really frizzy. But yeah, anyway, you've seen the empty house tour, you've seen the kitchen, well yeah, you've seen everything, and you've seen all the stuff being moved in and not actually being done. So obviously I'll do, once everything's all in and in place, I will do like obviously a full house tour when things are done, but everything's just coming in little bits at the moment. Like for example, my sofa's not coming until February, I don't think, at the moment. I need to get a coffee table, I need to get like a TV unit, because that's another thing with renting. I think unless you're asked for permission, you can't really have things on the wall because it leaves like marks in and all of that sort of stuff. So I don't know, we'll have to see how that goes. But yeah, I'll update you in a bit. I might show you the bed once me and Aaron have assembled it. But for now, I really want to show you outside actually. I'll show you that in a bit as well. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here for a bit. First stop, guys, Dunelm, or Dunelf. Oh my god, Dunelf. So yeah, we're just gonna go to Dunelm. Well, we're not gonna go. Oh my god, I'm so zoomed in. Let me zoom this out. That is a bit rude, isn't it? So yeah, we're just gonna have a little look. I might as well get that out. Little look in Dunelm. Oh, we're in the van. I need a rug because obviously the floor, it's just flooring. It's not carpet, it's flooring everywhere. So I need a rug. I also need a TV stand. I don't think I'll probably get that from here. So I need a rug, TV stand. Don't know, we'll have a look what else we need. Maybe a light? When your mum's causing rug conflict in Dunelm. She's having a rug wars with someone. It's so embarrassing. Aren't you, Mum? Mum, explain your rug wars.
No, I've seen it first.
I'm standing well away. I don't like getting into conflict about buying rugs. We've seen a rug we like, then someone else liked it. We're on the road again. Here's Matt. Here's Aaron. So we have just been to Dunelm and got a rug, 2 latte glasses. I got a, what else did I get? A mop. What else did I get? Oh, a bean bag. And Mum successfully won the rug wars, didn't you, Mum? She won the rug wars. Told you she was having a little battle with a fellow shopper who had a rise on the same rug that Mum wanted to get me. So Mum quickly went and got the Dunelm guy and managed to get it. So Mum is happy, and she got a bargain as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're on our way back now.